Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me, Organzan, and I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, we are building a cover for our hot tub. We really wanted a hot tub in our backyard, and we went to the Portland Convention Center and found the one that we both loved. But we had a temporary cover over the hot tub, but we decided we needed something more permanent.
Okay, step one is to get my hole spaces secured to the ground. These two I've already laid out with the laser, got them right where I want. Drill a 1/2 inch hole for these anchors. All right, more power. All right, this is one idiot's way how to get a 12-foot beam up all by yourself. Pretty sweet, eh?
Yeah, looks good. Here, Jim is temporarily bracing the structure while he squares it up. And then afterwards, he'll just take down those temporary boards.
The problem will be I have to pull up and down.
So what's going on now?
Frames up, E-brakes is on. It's pretty much will withstand a nuclear bomb. So now I got to put the rafters up. I've got hurricane ties and I just have to make sure I get it 12 feet because that's the sheathing that goes on top.
Okay.
And there we go.
Let's do it. So the first layer of the roof is the plywood, and he wanted to be sure to add that because there's going to be a tin roof on top, and he didn't want the rain. He figured that would be a buffer from the loud noise of the rain hitting the metal. Next was the tar paper, and then the metal roof on top. Just like that, we have a cover for our hot tub, and we're really enjoying it. You know, it rains here a lot in Oregon, so it's nice protection. And we were able to get rid of our old canvas tent that was over it. But yeah, since then we have painted it white, and we have some lights up and things like that. So it's super fun. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick overview of Jim building the cover for our hot tub. And if you did enjoy it, I hope you will give me a thumbs up, and it would be wonderful if you could subscribe. Jim, and like I said in my last video, Jim and I are always doing fun things here on our property, building all kinds of stuff. So anyways, friends, hopefully we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.